In this video, I will show you how to get Bullx private key and import it to Phantom Wallet. Now let's get started. Once you load up your Bullx page, you will be on the default page under the New Pairs section. From there, hover over the tab and go to the Wallet Manager section, which is the last option. Once you're in the Wallet Manager, you'll see your main wallet, but you won't be able to get the secret phrase from this wallet since it is your primary wallet. To proceed, create a new wallet. After creating the new wallet, you'll need to get the secret recovery phrase by clicking on Private Keys Download, and then clicking Download Private Key. You'll have to acknowledge that the keys cannot be downloaded again, and then click Done. Now open your Phantom Wallet and log in. Once logged in, go to the downloaded private keys file, which will be in a notepad form. Copy the keys and return to your Phantom Wallet. Go to your account, then click on Add Connect a Wallet, and select the option to import a private key. Name the wallet, for example, Bullx Primary. Paste the private key in the box and click Import. Now your wallet will be imported into Phantom. Make sure to mark this wallet as your primary by selecting Make Primary. After setting the new wallet as primary, transfer your funds from the old, now secondary wallet to the new one. To do this, go to your Phantom Wallet. Copy your wallet address by going to Receive and clicking the Copy button. Next, under the Withdrawals Wallet section on Bullx, add a new wallet. Select Solana as the network. Name it, for example, New Primary, and paste the copied address. Once everything is set, click Add New Wallet. Note that it will take about 3 hours to verify this new wallet. After 3 hours, you can click Withdraw and select the new wallet for the transaction. Once your wallet is verified, you can withdraw your funds to it. If needed, you can archive the old wallet. And that was all. Subscribe, it's free.